Hello you guys. Right now I'm walking here in the casino hotel restaurant, and I'm waiting for our friends to come to see us over here. We're so busy. I'll be back to you soon later on, you guys. We have bowling tomorrow. Yes, we are bowling tomorrow. And I'm not gonna show you the not supposed allowed on this video. And here you go, there's a lot of people here. Where they are? Oh, look, this water here. Oh, this is the water, the exhibit of these birds, duck, flamingos, you name it. The bird is over there. I don't really go around yet because this is so big, and we're getting ready for our bowling for tomorrow. Yes, I cannot show you around everything around here, but you know, in Facebook I'm just showing you the store, restaurant, store. There's too many people. Like over there, see it's like a Ferris wheel over there. Alright you guys, thank you for watching my video. Bye.